fucking schedule. Oh my god, the double bans are fucking crazy. We got Wolf open now? Shit.
Pick your hero.
Shit.
I'm not judging.
Scarlet DC, I see. Left mid game. Yeah, we had one lever today because we didn't get to the end in the half point. Like we could have. Okay, whatever. I've never seen the DPS be below the support. Yeah, apparently that means they disconnected demons on this game. It's demon time. I'm not eating in solidarity with you, bro. That's not how this works. What? Oh my god. Why is my name called? I said hi. That's why. I'm on D rank. Shit. Yeah, demon hours for ranked for sure. Trust in your healers, 100% guaranteed I will protect as long as you look at me. Yeah, you know who wouldn't protect you if you look at them? Schmary.
There's always light in darkness.
Schmary wouldn't! Use a strawberry daiquiri. Ooh, that sounds fucking fire. The fuck? You killed me. You killed me. I always want to ban PP second. Usually we do. Usually we, I don't know. We should have banned Emma first. I knew it. Oh, then hi. Hello! Yeah, it is demon hours for sure. My sleep schedule's already effed, honestly. Yeah, you guys are all up at fucking, well, it's 1 in the morning for me. Oh my god, it's already 1? Bro, I'm not stopping till I get GM, man. I want GM. Fuck a tomorrow. There's always tomorrow. No, fuck you, there ain't no tomorrow. I don't know why I always wait till demon hours to Q comp, though. I'm spacing, low-key. Let me lock in. Wait, Pine's on Groot? The fuck? I can't. Okay. Why's Pine on Groot? Oh, there's a bubble here. My guy. Okay, it is a little dangerous, I guess. And there's a penny too? Great. I never really see a penny, but when I do, it's not good. Whoa. Oh, fuck. Well, I can't really go into the mines because I'll die. Oh, Punisher solo. Thank you. Brother! Alright, dude. Oh, shit. At least we got that. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, they're fucking using every ult, huh? Magic was too far out. Okay.
Peach, peach, peach.
Hi! That's me! MVP! Right now? Fuck no. I suck. I'm surprised we held that. What? I was scared. Yeah, Pine! Woo! Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Yeah, my goat! Oh, 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 I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, oh, huge, 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 huge. No! No, my goat died! No! I need to ult again. I need ult again. No, please, no!
Working out, brother.
Yeah, I don't know how Groot is going right now. Do either of our DPS play tank? Because he's a better DPS.
I mean, I'm killing him fine. Magic is literally doing nothing.
I can't deny that. I'm gonna try and ult from this side.
A bunch of mines in the doorway, careful.
Oh my god! Ah! Bro, let me kill Penny at least! Ow! Shit. It's like my last ditch effort. Not much I can do there. Oh, their Starler's fucking crazy. Yeah, they're mad. What is Magic doing? One and 4 Magic. We'll push you to the limit. Yeah.
People are always afraid of Ty, but they just don't know him.
You want to play heals, Magic? Or
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
you're just gonna ignore us? Cool. Awesome.
He definitely has everything muted.
1 and 4. It's like I keep getting their DPS one shot, their heals one shot,
Yeah.
and then Magic's just running
Magic's
around
just
dying.
jumping around, yeah.
I'll play DPS this round. It'll be easy.
It's pretty cool.
We got this.
Yeah, it's really cool. I love this game.
4, 3, 2.
We'll be fine.
Yeah, we got this.
All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Let's go. Got 2 prior eternities on my team, and we still lose because of fucking shitter randoms. Oh,